Hey guys, welcome. Right now, I've got with me BDZ Repackaged. Just came in the mail today, and I actually got the limited edition with the DVD. I got it online from CD Japan. I got EMS shipping, so yeah. So let's just get straight into it. Alright, so we've got the actual box itself, and we also have what appears to be the mobile phone case, yeah. So I'll start off by opening this. The instructions are in Japanese, so I mean, like, if you can read it, you can read it, but I can't, so let's just get through with it. And it looks like we got the Chewy one. We got the Chewy case, and yeah, she's my bias, so that'll be lovely. Alright, and as you can see, that's how you put it in. So let's see if we can try and get it in right now. I mean, it's a bit weird to hold it when I've just got my phone, but I think I got it. And then you push it down. And here we go, here's the mobile case all set up. And moving on to the actual album itself, as you can see, the tape kind of didn't last, but there's the bubble wrap. Oh, we don't need that anymore. And here's the extra layering. Let's just open this. As you can see, like, you gotta use, like, I guess the best packaging for, like, the best quality products. So here's the actual box that contains the rest of the stuff inside it. Let's open it. So we have the CD booklet. We have not the booklet, but we have, like, the actual, like, thing that holds the CD and the DVD in. If we take it out, yeah, we have the CD on one side and the DVD on the other. I'll put this up here. I'll put that over there. We have the photo book here. As you can see, the track list. It's just the same as BDZ, except they had to stay by my side. Have Nyan, Jonia, she looks fabulous. You have Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Dayani, Chaeyoung, and last but not least, Chewy. And have, like, the group shots. And after that, there's more group photos. It's just the lyrics. If you know Japanese, you can always just pause to read it, but most of us, like, I don't. Here's the other tracks. The tracks already in, like, the original BDZ, Candy Pop, LOV. BS1, I Want You Back. We have another group shot. And then we have the thank you. We have the thank you message. Like, if you can read Japanese, like, you can always just press that. You know, Nyan, Jonghyun, Momo, Sana. Jihyo, Mina, Taeyeon, Chaeyoung, and Chewy, and the rest is just, like, the credits, so it doesn't really matter. And lastly is the, it's doing here actually. Yeah, you can actually take this bit out This is where the photo cards are kept, so here they are. I believe this is all 9 members. Naya, Chaya, Mama. Yeah, you know the drill. I will do a better job at and this for, well, they've already got the first Dome Tour promotions for 2019, so yes, that's always great. So with that, I guess that's everything. Like, I guess right here, if you want a grasp of everything, you can always just pause it here. But I think that's it. That's a wrap on it. So I guess I'll see you whenever the next unboxing comes out.